Sigma has once again expanded their contemporary I-series lineup with a new premium compact prime. This is the new ultra-wide Sigma 20mm f2 DG-DN. Sigma announced a new series of contemporary lenses last year called the I-series. It was a very exciting release, one that made it clear that Sigma was dedicated to making modest but sleek lens designs that made the experience of shooting just as enjoyable as the end results. Today, Sigma continues to deliver on that promise with the new 20mm f2 DG-DN, a small and sleek premium compact prime lens that offers superb optical quality contained within a robust all-metal construction with a sleek ergonomic feel and tactile controls, making it a great everyday lens for shooting landscapes, wide-angle portraits, weddings, interiors, and astrophotography. So let's roll. This is the fourth I-series release lens with an f2 aperture, joining the 24, the 35, and the 65mm, which together make a well-rounded lens kit. Just like those previous releases, the 20mm f2 covers a full-frame sensor and comes in both Sony E-mount and Leica L-mount. It has a 9-blade circular diaphragm for nice rounded bokeh. The lens construction includes 3 high-precision glass molded aspherical lens elements, 1 SLD element, and 1 FLD element to suppress a range of optical aberrations. Its super multi-layer coating and nano-porous coating ensures very minimal flare and ghosting, even when shooting into bright light sources, making it much easier to photograph backlit subjects. Even at the widest aperture setting of f2, the 20mm still achieves the highest level of optical performance from the center of the image all the way to the periphery. This is crucial for wide-angle photography because the goal of any wide-angle lens is to show the breadth of a scene, and therefore you want the viewer's eye to travel from one edge of the frame to the other. A lens like this is perfect for showcasing urban architecture, beautiful interiors, or even the night sky. In fact, Sigma has stressed that in the construction of this lens, they wanted to focus on the suppression of what is called sagittal coma flare, which is an unfortunate aberration that can make a point of light in the sky look like a bird spreading its wings. It can be quite difficult to correct in post-processing, but according to Sigma, this new lens construction achieves an accurate reproduction of very bright points of light. This feat of engineering provides extremely detailed results across the entire image, which is especially important for night sky photography, making the new 20mm f2 a great option for astrophotographers. If you want to take your eyes off the night sky and focus on something right in front of you, the new 20mm f2 does have a very practical minimum focusing distance of 8.7 inches, which provides a decent maximum magnification ratio of 1:6.7. So photographers can get close to their subjects, and remember, because it's a wide angle, you'll still see all the background elements which can make for dynamic compositions. Now let's talk body design. Every I-series uses an all-metal construction. You can feel that right away. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, it just felt good. The precision-cut aluminum parts not only give the barrel a sleek, stylish finish, but provide superb durability that improves the quality of the entire product. Metal materials are also used in the internal structures that slide with the operation ring for added robustness. However, it is still a compact prime lens weighing only 370 grams and measuring just 2.9 inches long, which means you'll barely notice it hanging around your neck, making it perfect once again for everyday usage. Now, believe it or not, these same high-precision components are also used in Sigma's Cine lens lineup aimed at professional cinematographers, and thus provide a tactile, ergonomic feel that make the lens just a real pleasure to handle. And nothing exhibits this professional tactile feel more than the designated clicked aperture ring that can be adjusted manually or set to A for auto iris. If you shoot video with this lens, the exterior manual aperture ring is a great tactile option to have for controlling your exposure. Just like its predecessors, the 20mm is compatible with Sony's super fast autofocus system thanks to the STM stepping motor that drives the autofocus system. We tested it with Sony's latest A7 IV camera body. Here are the results. Sigma is shipping the lens with an included bayonet lens hood as well as 2 front lens caps. One is the typical plastic petal type, while the other is their signature I-series magnetic metal lens cap. The new 20mm f2 from Sigma boasts an exceptionally small form factor with a sleek, modest design, superb image quality, and professional performance, making it a highly practical optic that is portable enough for everyday shooting. This being the fourth f2 in the lineup, with this release, Sigma has now got themselves a pretty nice, well-rounded kit of premium compact primes that would fit nicely into anyone's camera bag. But will this be your new ultra-wide compact prime lens? What images would you take with this new I-series release from Sigma? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jacob B&H. Just keep rolling.